Over the last few years, we've seen influencers go from creating viral content to landing roles on the big screen.
This is fashion.
Okay.
It's clear that the entertainment industry is paying attention, but how do you actually make the leap? In this video, I'll share 5 essential tips to help influencers like you successfully transition into acting and bring your skills to the next level. By the way, if you're new here, hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Romy Peniche. I'm a graphic designer turned full-time actress and producer. And last year, I had the chance to take on both roles in the Lionsgate film How the Gringos Stole Christmas, in which I worked with influencers during their first acting roles in a movie.
Guess that's against the rules, my boy.
Yeah, you gotta respect
You gotta
love,
respect,
homie.
respecto, homie.
All right, I respect.
What can you do? Train and prepare. Take acting classes, acting workshops, master the basics, and sharpen your skills. The awesome thing about today's technology is that we can take online classes anytime we want. Even acting teachers and seasoned actors never stop training. And I personally always try to take acting classes whenever I have a chance. Try to study the craft by watching films and TV shows to explore different acting styles. Get familiar with the genres like procedurals, sitcoms, films, to understand the specific techniques each requires. Plus, it's a fun way to discover what you love performing the most. For me, I love comedy. Ay, ahorita no, Pancho. I love it. Maybe one day I'll get cast in a sitcom, or even better, produce a hit comedy show. Wait for it. Oh, and don't forget to read some books on acting theory. I'll share some great recommendations in the description. Try to get experience. So how do you gain acting experience? Well, you can audition for local theater productions, community projects, or student films. Film students are often on the lookout for actors. And you can find auditions on websites like Actors Access, LACasting, Casting Frontier, or Backstage. I'll also include those links in the description. Create an acting demo reel. As you gain experience, begin compiling clips of your best performances into a demo reel. Not your influencer reel, but your acting reel. This will be super important for auditions and submissions. Try to attend industry events, join acting groups, and connect with other fellow actors, directors, and producers. It can really open doors to auditions and roles you might not find otherwise. Plus, auditioning is a great way to meet casting directors and people who are eager to produce their own projects. Maximize your platform. Don't forget to use your existing influence to create opportunities for yourself by sharing your acting journey and any projects you're working on with your audience. They'll want to support you. Find a good talent agent because they can help you land auditions and navigate contracts. Look for agents who have experience working with influencers. They will understand your unique situation. Build a professional portfolio by keeping your headshots up to date. Try to change them maybe every 2 years or sooner if you notice any significant changes. Maybe you have been eating a lot and you're a little chubby, and you weren't chubby before. Things like that. Also, make sure your resume is up to date. It's super important to have the correct mindset because you're not gonna get the big roles at the beginning. Be open to smaller roles to build your resume. These opportunities can lead to bigger roles down the line, trust me. Be professional no matter if it is an indie film or a big production. Try to approach every project with professionalism. Your reputation matters more than you think. Learn about the industry. Familiarize yourself with the business side of acting. Think contracts, unions like SAG, AFTRA, and industry standards. Don't forget to check out the IMDB website too. You'll want to create a profile as soon as you start building your film and TV resume. Try to stay in the loop by subscribing to entertainment news websites and magazines like Variety, Deadline, or The Hollywood Reporter for the latest updates on projects and casting calls. Subscribe to newsletters from acting schools, talent agencies, and industry websites that provide updates on trends, workshops, and opportunities. Audition frequently, and even if you don't book anything, treat each audition as an opportunity to learn. The more you audition, the better you'll get. Be persistent, because rejection is a normal part of this journey. Don't take it personally. They are just looking for someone else. Keep developing your brand. Know your unique selling points and market yourself effectively. Your background as an influencer can be a fantastic asset. Stay true to yourself and let your personality shine through. It's what sets you apart in both the influencer and acting worlds. Okay, that's it. If you like this video, please click here to watch the next one. I am not sure what I'm gonna put there, but it's gonna be good. Okay, thank you for watching and see you next time.